Welcome to 228 Lupine Drive in Colchester. This is Pinewood Estates. We're here today to view this amazing townhome. Let's go ahead and take a look around the outside first. As you can see here, you've got a one-car garage. I love too that they've got lots of space for the driveway. Off to the left, you're going to see as well that there's extra parking for guests. Some of the great features too is that you're close to Lake Champlain, the bike path, you've got the grocery stores nearby, drive-in movie theater, and other items. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back side of the home. Okay, so here we have the back side of the home, and as you can see, we have this really nice patio, great for enjoying the warmer months. And you can see as well that you've got, it's all wooded back here, so it feels like you've got your own private oasis. As you can take a look around, you've got plenty of green space here, so absolutely a fantastic home. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so here we have the inside of the home. When you first walk in, you're going to see that you got this really nice tile flooring. I love too that the extra beadboard on the side gives it a really nice classy look. Of course, the colors here too are very soothing. Homeowners have done a nice job of maintaining the home. To your right, you're going to have the pantry. Always good to be able to store some of your extra goods. You're going to wrap around into the kitchen. And one of the things I love about this kitchen is that you really have a nice amount of counter space and cabinet space. And of course, you've got gas cooking if you love gas stoves. A little extra spot there too for some of your other goods that you want to store. And two, I love this open floor plan. You got the dining room that lives right into the living room. And of course, just check out the hardwood flooring. Off to your left, you're going to have where the patio is. And the nice thing here too is that you've got an end unit, so you have the extra windows, so it gives more natural lighting for this home. So over here, we're going to see that you got the gas fireplace, which is always great. Nice to be cozy during the winter months. We're going to loop around to the front real quick, again where the entry is, and then off to your right is going to be where you've got the half bath, and always nice. So now that we've seen some of the downstairs, let's go ahead and take a look at the upstairs. Okay, so here we have the second level of the home. So let's go ahead and take a look around. So when you come off to your right, you're going to have the primary bedroom. Love the closet off to the right. You can see that the back window looks out into the wooded area, which is nice. Love too that the windows are a little bit bigger for extra lighting. When you come off to the side, you can see that you've got tile flooring, which is a great feature. And then also here, you've got a little bit bigger than normal shower. Let's go ahead and take a look further through the home. I love the colors up here too. This home really is a nice move-in ready condition. When you come further down, we've got another bedroom off to your right. I love the extra window that a unit provides because it gives really an abundance of natural lighting, as you can see through here. And then two, off to your side, you've got a linen closet. And of course, we have another full bathroom. Behind those doors are the washer and dryer, so that's a great feature having that on the upper floor. Okay, so now that we've seen that, let's go over and take a look here. We've got a third space. Again, this could be used as an office or a den or other things as well. Good amount of space. So this is a beautiful home. I invite you to come down and take a look. But we're not done yet. Let's go ahead and take a look down in the basement. Here we are down the basement, and what an amazing amount of storage space this could be for someone. Let's take a look around. So you got your heating system that's off to the side, allows you a hot water tank, but you've got an amazing amount of space here. Definitely could make some great things out of this. Okay, so this is 228 Lupine Drive in Colchester. I invite you to come down and take a look. It's an amazing home. You definitely won't be disappointed, and you're close to so many different features.